How to use Shopify for dropshipping. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to use Shopify for dropshipping. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a link down in the description below, which will redirect you to a sign up page for Shopify in where you can get a 3-day free trial. And then after those 3 days, these 3 plans over here, the basic plan, the Shopify plan, and the advanced plan will only cost you $1 per month instead of $19, $49, and $299. So yeah, without further ado, let us get started with the tutorial. So the big question is, why should you use Shopify for dropshipping? Well, Shopify allows you to sell your products online and of course manage everything in one place. So it has features like checking out your analytics, making discounts, and of course customizing your online store. So the first thing that we're gonna do first is to install an application that will allow us to dropship products. So to do that, just go to apps right here, go to all recommended apps, and then just simply go click on this link right here, which will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to just search up for CJ Dropshipping. There you go. Click on this application right here. So once you're here, what you want to do is to just install this application right here. So just click on install, and then after that, just click on install again, and then after that, you'll be redirected here. So it will say to you, welcome to CJ. So one more step to store authorization. So just please log in or register a CJ account to authorize. So if you have a CJ account, just log in here, or if you don't have one, you can just register here. So for me, I'll just register. So I'll just click on register here. Click on confirm. There you go. And then after that, we'll be redirected here in the sign up page for CJ Dropshipping. So you can either sign up with your email, or you can sign up with your WhatsApp account, your Facebook, your Google account, your Apple account, or your Shopify account. So for me, I'll just sign up with Google right here. So I'll just click on this. And then after that, I'll just sign up with my account. And after that, just click on continue. And then after that, we have now made an account. So from here, you can now start choosing on what kind of products you want to dropship. So to start, what you want to do is to just search for the product that you want to dropship right here in the search bar, or you can just view the products right here at the bottom on what you want to dropship. So for example, I'll just view the products right here, and then after that, we'll be redirected here. So again, you can choose any of the products right here that is being shown to you right now, or you can just simply click on search right here and then just search the kinds of products that you want to dropship. So as an example, I'll be selling clothes right here. So since Christmas is coming, I'll be selling some Christmas clothes. So once you're here, you can either choose what kind of product you want to use, or you can search for products right here in the search bar right here if you want to drop ship some specific products. But for me, I'll just try to drop ship some clothes right here, specifically Christmas clothes, since Christmas is coming close. So for example, I'll be selling these clothes right here, Christmas clothes. So I'll just click on that, and then after that, we'll be redirected here. So once you're sure that you want to drop ship this product, just simply click on list right here in the bottom, and then after that, you'll be redirected here in the editing section. So in here, you can now start customizing your product. So you can add your product type, your vendor, variant pricing, images and videos, and descriptions. So feel free to customize these sections out. But the stuff that you really need to focus on are these options right here that have the red asterisk beside them. So you will need to have your product type and your vendor. So for me, for the product type, I'll just choose clothes. There you go. Click on add, and then there you go. And then for the vendor, just enter your vendor right here, or you can sync it right here. So for me, I'll just sync it. But if you don't have a vendor, you could just simply input your vendor over here. So for example, I'll just set it to my store. Click on add my store, and then there you go. And then next is I'll also try to add some tags right here. So for example, I'll just add Christmas clothes, and then there you go. So you can also add more. And then at the very top over here, you can also charge tax if you want to sell this. So for me, I'll just do that. So next is we have variant pricing. So in here, you can set the prices of your variants right here. So you can just add the price right here in the right side. So these products are selling for around $18. So yeah, so feel free to customize your prices out. So for example, I'll just sell them around that same price as well. So I'll just sell them around 2,000 pesos so I can have a profit. So I'll just do these to all the products right here. And then once you're done customizing the prices, you can also edit some settings right here at the top, like the default shipping method. So you can choose choose where will it be shipped from, where you want to ship your orders to. So you can choose where your orders ship the most, and then you can choose the shipping method right here. So yeah, so feel free to customize these sections out. And then next is we have image and videos. So in here you can upload image and videos, but you can also use the image and videos provided for this product. So for me, I'll just use these images and videos that are provided for this product. Next is we have description. So in here, this is where you input or see the description of your product. So as you can see, there is now a pre-made description right here for us. So you can also edit it if you want to, or you can just leave it be. So for me, I'll just leave it be. And then once you're done customizing your product right here, you can now list it now so that you can now start drop shipping this product. So I'll just click on list it now right here on the bottom right corner, and after that all you have to do now is wait. So listing in progress. So yeah, so just wait for the status to be finished, and then there you go, it is now listed successfully. So if you want to view this product in your store, just simply click on this link right here, and then after that you'll be redirected here in Shopify. And after that, as you can see, it will now be added to our store right here. So in here again, we will get to see the title of our product, description, and a lot more. So yeah, so in here you can also edit your products right here if you want to add some final changes. So for example, I'll just add another size right here for the variant. So I'll just add another value right here like extra large, and then there you go. So I'll just click on done, and then there you go. So in here you can also change the prices right here of your variants. So you can set different prices for your variants. You can also redo the images if you want to, or add more images. Add the categories right here. So for me, I'll just add it to I'll just add this to apparel and accessories, and there you go. And then after that, I'll just choose clothing, and then there you go. And then feel free to customize your product out once it's here in your Shopify store. And then in the right side over here, you can also set the status of your product as active or draft, and you can also edit out the product organization right here to your liking. And then once you're done customizing your product or doing some final changes to your product right here in Shopify, just simply click on save, and then there you go. So now we can now exit out of here. So as you can see, when I go to the product section over here, we can now see that our status is active, and then we will get to see our inventory right here. So we have 100,000 in stock for 9 variants. So yeah, so I'll be adding 2 more products right here. So as an example, I'll be adding this hat right here, this Christmas antler hat. So again, just click on list right here to list your product to your store, and again, just redo the details that you did for the previous one. So again, edit out the product section, the variant pricing. You can also edit out the images and videos or add your own. You can also edit out the description again if you want to. So yeah, so again, feel free to customize these settings out. And then once you're done, just simply click on list it now. And after that, just wait for the listing progress to finish. And then there you go, listed successfully. And then lastly, I'll just add one more product. So I'll just exit out of here. And then let's say I want to sell these Christmas slippers right here. So I'll just click on it again. And after that, again, I'll just click on list right here to list that product. And then again, just edit those details right here again. So edit out your products page, your variant pricing, your images and videos, and your description. So it's just the same thing. So just redo those settings that you did for your previous products. And then once you're done, just simply click on list now to list your product. And after that, just wait for the listing progress to finish. And then there you go, it is now listed successfully. And then after that, we can now just head back to Shopify and then just go to our product section right here. And then after that, we will get to see all of our products right here. So there you go. So we can now see our products that we have listed from CJ Dropshipping, and now they are now in Shopify. So next, what we're going to do now is to customize our online store. So just go to online store over here. And then after that, just choose the theme that you want to use. So you can use the default theme of Shopify, which is Dawn. Or you can use some of these themes right here at the bottom. So if you want to use some of these themes, just simply click on add right here. And then after that, the theme will now be applied. And then if you want to visit or explore more themes, just click on visit theme store right here. And then after that, you'll be redirected to the theme store of Shopify. So feel free to choose what kind of theme you want to use in here. But for me, I'll just stick with the default theme. So in here, I'll just click on customize. And then after that, we'll be redirected here in the website editor. So now, what we're going to do first is to edit out sections. So a section is covered around by these blue lines over here. And then you'll also see the name of that section in the top left corner. So as of now, the section that I'm hovering on with my mouse is an image banner section. So when I click on that, some settings in the right side will appear that will allow us to customize this section. So we can add images, change the color scheme, add animations, and a lot more. So feel free to customize your sections out. So for example, I'll just add an image, and then after that, I'll just choose the image that I want to add. So as an example, I'll choose this image right here, and then I'll just click on done to apply that image, and then there you go, that image is now applied. And then there you go. So next is we can also change the text right here. So for example, I'll just name it to welcome to my store, and then there you go. And then after that, what we're gonna do now is to add sections. So to add sections, just go to the left side over here, go to template, and then just click on add section, and after that, just choose the kind of section you want to add. So you can add a featured collection, featured product section, contact form, video, and a lot more. So feel free to choose what kind of section you want to add. For me, I'll just add a featured product section right here, and then there you go. So I'll just click on this section, and then on the right side, I'll just click on select product right here to select the product that I want to feature. So for example, I want to feature these Christmas clothes right there, and after that, that will now be applied. And then if you want to customize the other pages of your online store, just simply click on this one right here, and then from here you can now start customizing your products page, your cart and checkout page, and a lot more. So feel free to customize these pages out. And then once you're done customizing your website, just simply click on save to save the changes, and then there you go, the changes have now been saved. And then after that, we can now exit out of here, and then we can now preview our site. So to preview your site, just simply click on these three dots right here, click on preview, and then after that, you'll be redirected here to your website. And then there you go. So when people will now visit your website, they can now purchase your products. So next is we have analytics. So in here, you'll get to see a detailed view about the analytics of your website. So you'll get to see your total sales, total orders, average order value, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. Next is we have reports. So in here, you'll get to see all the reports relating to your website. And then in the top right corner over here, you can also create custom reports. And then we have live view. So in here, we can see a live view of our website. So we will get to see our visitors right now, your total sessions, total sales, total orders, and a lot more. So again, feel free to check this section out. And then lastly, we have discounts. So in here, we can create discounts for a product. So to create a discount, just simply click on add discount over here, and then just select your discount type. So in here, you can choose amount off products, buy X get Y, amount off order, or free shipping. So feel free to choose what kind of discount type you want to use. So for me, I'll just choose amount off order, and then after that, we'll be redirected here. So after that, what you want to do is to just choose your method. So you can choose between discount code or automatic discount. For me, I'll just choose discount code. And then after that, just input your discount code over here, or you can generate a random one right here. For me, I'll just generate a random one. Next is we have discount value. So in here, you can set your discount value as percentage or fixed amount. For me, I'll just make it percentage and leave it as 5%. And then after that, there are also some settings right here that you can customize for your discount, like minimum purchase requirements, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, and combinations. So feel free to customize these settings out. And then after that, lastly, we have active dates. So in here, you can have start dates and end dates for your discount. So just input their dates over here and input their start time and their end time. And then once you're done customizing your discount, just simply click on save discount right here. And then after that, your discount has now been created. And then at the very top over here, you'll also get a shareable link so that you can promote your discount code via email or social media to your customers. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Shopify for drop shipping. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.